It's bad. This is a long-standing problem. There's about 300 drugs in shortage right now, active shortages, and so that's a high level. It's the highest it's been since 2014. Features under the Inflation Reduction Act will exacerbate this problem.
Former Food and Drug Administration Commissioner Scott Gottlieb warned of further drug shortages thanks to the recently passed Inflation Reduction Act. Some 130 drugs are currently in shortage, according to the FDA. Gottlieb clarified these shortages mostly apply to the sterile injectable kind of drug, which can often mean things like cancer treatments. The Inflation Reduction Act capped drug prices, leaving less of a margin for pharmaceutical companies to reinvest in manufacturing.
Well, the federal government is capping the cost of certain drugs because of high costs to consumers. Is that going to add to this issue?
It'll prevent these generic manufacturers from being able to take price increases. For example, if they enter a market for the first time or they spend a lot of money upgrading a facility to be compliant with state-of-the-art regulations, they're not going to be able to take a price increase to recoup some of those costs, so it's going to come out of their own pocket.
Gottlieb said when there's less capital to invest in production and quality control, that is when drug shortages happen. He clarified there aren't shortages of pill form drugs because there's much less room for error in the manufacturing process, therefore requiring less capital to produce the drugs. One example of an injectable drug experiencing an extreme shortage is Ozempic, a treatment for diabetes.